If you're looking to make the most of Apollo.io's advanced search features, you've come to the right place. This quick guide will show you how to use Apollo.io's advanced search to find high-quality leads, all while saving you time and maximizing your results. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate the advanced search features like a pro, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. First off, Apollo.io offers one of the most comprehensive databases for sales and marketing professionals. With its advanced search features, you can filter through millions of contacts based on detailed criteria like job titles, location, industry, company size, and even specific technologies they use. The goal here is to make your search as targeted and efficient as possible. Let's start by talking about filters. When you're in the search interface, you'll notice a variety of filter options. You can filter by company size, revenue, and even employee count. This is crucial because the more specific you get, the higher the chances of reaching out to a prospect who is truly aligned with your ideal customer profile. You can also use filters to zero in on decision makers, ensuring you're connecting with the right people who have the authority to make purchasing decisions. Another powerful tool within Apollo.io's advanced search is its ability to segment leads by their engagement. This is really useful for tailoring your outreach. You can see how active someone is on the platform, or if they've engaged with any of your previous campaigns. This can help you focus your efforts on the most promising leads. One feature that sets Apollo.io apart is its data enrichment capabilities. After filtering your results, you can enrich contact profiles with additional data, such as social media profiles and company insights. This allows you to personalize your outreach and create much more compelling and effective campaigns. Now, let's talk about saved searches. Once you've created an ideal search, Apollo.io allows you to save that search. This is perfect for running repeat searches without having to input the same criteria over and over again. You can even get notifications when new leads meet your criteria, so you never miss a high-value prospect. Additionally, Apollo.io's integration with CRM platforms like Salesforce allows for seamless follow-up and campaign tracking. You can move your leads directly into your CRM with just a few clicks, keeping everything organized and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. If you're wondering how to track the performance of your search queries, Apollo.io also provides robust analytics. You can see detailed reports on your outreach campaigns, giving you valuable insight into what's working and where adjustments are needed. Remember, using Apollo.io's advanced search features isn't just about filtering data, it's about finding the right people, building the right relationships, and tracking your success. These tools, when used effectively, can skyrocket your lead generation and sales outreach. I want to make sure you don't miss out on the chance to explore Apollo.io yourself. You can use this software for completely free with the exclusive bonus I've linked below. The first link in the description gives you access to a special extended free trial that allows you to explore everything Apollo.io has to offer without any restrictions. Make sure to check it out. In summary, Apollo.io's advanced search features are incredibly powerful, but it's the way you leverage them that will make all the difference. Whether you're focusing on a specific industry, narrowing down decision makers, or enriching contact profiles, Apollo.io gives you the tools to supercharge your lead generation. Don't forget to use the link below to access your exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching.